Ever felt like your amazing creations, your unique talents, or even just those gently used items gathering dust could find a loving home and maybe even earn you some extra income? You're not alone. The digital marketplace is vast, but navigating it can feel overwhelming. Today, we're diving into a platform that's designed to be user-friendly and connect you with buyers eager for what you have to offer, Bifrost. Now, you might be thinking, Bifrost? What's that? Think of Bifrost as a vibrant online community where buying and selling is made simple and secure. It's a space where individuals and small businesses can showcase their products and services to a wide audience. Whether you're a seasoned entrepreneur or just looking to declutter, Bifrost aims to make the selling process smooth and accessible. So, how exactly do you tap into this potential and start selling on Bifrost? Let's break it down step by step. First things first, you'll need to create an account. Head over to the Bifrost website or download their mobile app. The registration process is usually straightforward, asking for basic information like your name, email address, and a secure password. Once you've verified your email, you're ready to set up your seller profile. Think of your profile as your digital storefront. Take some time to fill it out completely and professionally. Include a clear profile picture or logo, a concise and engaging description of yourself or your business, and any relevant links to your social media or other online presences. A well-crafted profile builds trust and helps potential buyers learn more about who they're purchasing from. Now for the exciting part, listing your items or services. Click on the Sell or List an Item button. It's usually prominently displayed. You will then be guided through a form where you will provide all the essential details about what you're offering. Be descriptive. High-quality photos are crucial. Take clear, well-lit pictures from multiple angles to showcase your product effectively. For services, consider using compelling visuals that represent the value you provide. Write detailed descriptions that highlight the key features, benefits, materials, dimensions, condition, if applicable, and any other relevant information. The more information you provide, the fewer questions potential buyers will have, and the more confident they'll feel in making a purchase. Next, you'll need to set your price. Research similar items or services on Bifrost and other platforms to get a sense of the market value. Consider your costs, the condition of your item, and your desired profit margin. Bifrost may offer suggestions or tools to help you with pricing. You'll also need to specify your shipping options and costs if you're selling physical goods. Be clear about your shipping methods, processing times, and who is responsible for shipping fees. Offering multiple shipping options can cater to a wider range of buyers. For services, clearly outline how your service will be delivered, whether it's online, in person, or through another method. Finally, review your listing carefully before publishing it. Double-check for any errors in pricing, descriptions, or photos. Once you're satisfied, hit that Publish button, and your listing will be live on Bifrost, ready for potential buyers to discover. Bifrost often provides tools for managing your listings, communicating with buyers, and tracking your sales. Familiarize yourself with these features to ensure a smooth selling experience. Respond promptly to inquiries, be professional in your communication, and strive to provide excellent customer service. Positive interactions can lead to repeat business and good reviews, further enhancing your reputation on the platform. Selling on Bifrost is about more than just listing items. It's about building connections and participating in a community. By creating compelling listings, providing great service, and engaging with potential buyers, you can successfully tap into the potential of this platform and turn your offerings into income. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.